How to create a Facebook business page. You can redirect on Facebook create page site in many ways, but we are discussing two simplest ways here. First one is just open then Facebook and types in the search box create a page. Then click on the icon named create a page. You will redirect to page create a menu. The second one is a search on Google create a Facebook page. Scroll down and click on the second page. You will redirect to the create page site. You can also redirect to the page by this link that is appearing on the screen. Then connect your business, yourself, or your cause to the worldwide community of people on Facebook. To get started, choose a page category. And click on Get Started. Enter the page name here. Then add a category to describe your page. Then click on Continue. Then upload the profile picture of your page. Finally, upload the cover picture of your page. So your page has been created. Thanks for watching.